26 November, Law Day, now Constitution Day of India. Uttaranchal University, under the aegis of Legal Aid Center Law College Dehradun, celebrate it as a blood donation day. On this occasion, students, faculty members and staff along with volunteer of NSS from law, engineering, management, agriculture, pharmacy, applied and life science, liberal art, mass communication and hotel management joined together to donate blood. I am very happy to share with you that the one-day record of donating highest 1,248 blood unit stands in the name of Law College Dehradun. मैं आप सबको इस पावन पर्व में सम्मिलित होने का निमंत्रण देता हूं। एक ऐसा निमंत्रण देता हूं, एक ऐसा नजारा देखने का निमंत्रण देता हूं जो शायद आपने कभी नहीं देखा होगा। लॉ कॉलेज के प्रांगण में राष्ट्र ध्वज के नीचे एक नहीं, दो नहीं, सैकड़ों की तादाद में छात्र और छात्राएं लाइनों में खड़े दिखाई देंगे और वे सब छात्राएं और छात्र कुछ लेने के लिए नहीं बल्कि अपनी सबसे कीमती वस्तु रक्तदान करने के लिए खड़े होंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू ज्वाइन विद अस to make this Constitution Day meaningful for us and also to celebrate आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव। थैंक यू।
It's indeed a great pleasure for me to be with you this morning on this auspicious day of the Constitution Day, the Law Day 2019. So on this day, I congratulate you for the wonderful program that you have organized by blood donation. Again, it's exercise in nation building, an exercise at the larger, for the larger cause of humanity, and of course this exercise of the learned brewing lawyers to introspect and to know more than that where we have come from and who we are. Only then we will understand where we are going. Thank you.